lockers here to keep your stuff in. They have iPads over there that you can book your tour on if you don't already have them. They have Backcountry Jeep Adventure, Alaska's Wildest Kitchen. These are the only signs that I see left today. More restaurants here. A coffee shop. Here. And a little gift shop. For the visitor center. I heard you, that's why I'm going. This is the center of town. Cannery is over there. Double Point Bar. Restrooms. Double Point Smokehouse. There's a wide path here on the boardwalk. You can walk along. This looks like the end of this.
You can see that. Closed for a private party. Hey, they're roasting marshmallows at the seafood feast. But let's take a look at this orca statue. It's as good as mouth closed. Now the town of Hoona is around the bend there. Like I say, about a mile. And you can walk there. There's very little to do there.
Residents.
I guess that says it all. Surfboards.
Surf's up.
It's gotta be best.
Keep in mind that Icy Strait Point
Cannery, Crab House,
or anywhere.
Icy Strait Museum, warehouse shops, kayak center, and restaurants.
And several buildings. Right? This is an old cannery. That's where we started. That's the Grand Princess there. The Walker's Trail. That's the Radiance. Now we're around right there. Thank you. So there's this building. And we're going to wrap around this to the other side.
Oh, it's okay.
like metal, but it's plastic. That's a Wi-Fi mark. They don't want every day.
It's on sale for $27.
Yes, it's on sale. Ceramic.
Stuffed bear, small one, $39.
This is
Sweatshirts, $49.
two.
That would be nice.
Papa bear underwear.
Have a good day.
Mom, can we go into the other store? Now.
Here's your species of salmon. Taco, squid, truffle, chow, and pea.
Swan linh nghĩa là gì chị? Swan linh.
Raven. You hear how loud they are?
Tour buses load up. Of course, the bear search is in the evening, and our ship's going to be gone by the evening.
Look at that boat.
Down in the dry dock. Permanently.
I don't think there's any salvaging this boat. I would say it had a fire on it. And it's been there a long time. See where the tide came up, and now it's way down here. Lots of barnacles on rocks.
Is our trip to Icy Strait Point, our visit to Icy Strait Point.
Yeah, I see my
We're back to the ship. Hope you enjoyed it.
It was a
I
nice
can't get the full ship in.
Why don't you both get in
the
the
crab. Bloody Mary was delicious.
So, from Icy Strait Point, I'm Gary.
And I'm Janet. And we'll see you in the next port.
Bye.
Bye.